So building sales copy. Copy is made from key selling points plus common objections. So whether we're writing a product description or writing a script for a video, these are the 2 points we need to cover in our sales copy. So we're asking for the sale, we have to address the key selling points and the common objections. Key selling points. Bob will tell us what the key selling points are if we listen. We need to spot ideas that Bob has expressed and appeal to them. We need to spot emotional beliefs that Bob has expressed and appeal to them. And when we combine both of these types of selling points, the intellectual and the emotional, we are now appealing to Bob's core values. Because if we remember, Bob's core values are derived from Bob's intellectual ideas and Bob's emotional beliefs. And if we appeal to them as Bob's core values and our marketing is in line with them, we can sell to Bob. So let's have a look at some key selling point language we might see. I think this feature is good. We might see this in a review or a comment. I like this feature. I feel good about this feature. This has been a useful feature. I have been looking for something like this for a long time. This will make someone, insert whoever that is there, it might be the wife, the child, granny. This will make someone so happy. This is key selling point language. We could take this and use that in our copy because these are positive statements about our product that Bob has expressed, both intellectually and emotionally. So some of these are intellectual statements, and see if you can look through and spot those. And some of those are emotional statements, and see if you can spot those as well. So how do we deal with common objections? Bob will often tell us the reason why Bob will not buy from us if we listen. So we need to make sure that any objections are dealt with in our marketing and in our sales copy. We can then map those objections and answer them before they even arise. And we call this reversing the risk. When we tell Bob that we will take all the risk, most of Bob's objections will be dealt with. Bob does not want to take a risk. Bob wants us to take the risk. He is paying us money to take the risk in solving his problems. So whenever Bob raises an objection and that becomes a common objection, we have to remove that as a risk from Bob if we're going to stop that being an objection that stops the sale. So we could handle objections with an FAQ, frequently asked questions, on our website. We would have a page on the website where this question is stated. What happens if you're not happy with the quality of the product? And next to that, we might have an objection handling statement. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee if you feel the quality was not as advertised. So if you're getting a common objection about the quality, we remove that objection by offering a 30-day money-back guarantee on the website. How long will this take to get to you? So sometimes people are like, oh, I want it, but I want it quick. So we'll handle that objection. We say, we ship orders the next working day and shipping takes 48 hours during working hours. We provide full tracking details so you know where your order is at all times. So again, we're handling that objection by using a frequently asked question. So what if it arrives damaged? If this arrives damaged in any way, just get in touch and we will arrange return and replacement straight away. If Bob is expressing these issues over and over again, you have to deal with them. And sometimes that means going to the company and saying, these are the issues we've got with our marketing. These are the things people keep saying and feeding back to us in our marketing and reflecting on our brand. We need to create some policies and advertise those policies and make sure they're there and Bob can see them so that we can get more sales. And if you have to present this to stakeholders, that's always how you sell it to them. They want more sales in the business. And if you say, if we do this, we'll get more sales. And if we don't, we're not going to get any new sales from the internet. So that's a very powerful technique, the FAQ technique on a website. It doesn't have to be on a website. It can be in copy. It can be in the article itself. But an FAQ page on the website is very good because it also helps us with customer service. So if someone asks a question, we can say, oh, that's a frequently asked question. Go and check it out over there. Send them the link and they can go and read it.